What are you doing?
I'm hanging out here in the rain
Why?
because I'm gonna be watching Bush in July fireworks.
Oh, people are lighting off fireworks, but it's starting to rain. Well, I guess you got a solution, huh?
Hey, Mom.
What?
Maybe you can hold an umbrella when we are out here.
Oh, maybe. I was having a snack.
Just soon when you finish your snack, come on.
Okay, I'll think about it. Enjoy the rain.